So number 5 says that you want the standard form equation of a circle. The center they give you is -1/1/6. And the standard form of circles on the formula sheet, reference sheet, and the H and the K is the center, and the R is the radius. And you can always get partial credit for this because they give you the center. So you can at least get partial credit. And I don't know if you noticed it when I wrote it, but I meant to turn that into a +1, and I meant to turn that into a -1/6. You all remember doing these circle things in the center, the numbers would flip. And either way, this is the standard form. See how it's negative here? So if I said x minus a -1, it'd turn into positive. If I just put 1/6 in right here, it's -1/6. So that's why you flip signs when you punch them in. And that's partial credit. I mean, that's pretty good. But you need to find what the radius is. So what's the radius? Tangent to the y-axis. So you go back 1 and down 1/6. And if you were tangent to the y-axis, it'd look like that. It's just barely touching it. From here to here is what? 1. We went backwards 1, so it's 1. So this number right here is 1. But you got to square it. So the answer would be that. Don't forget to square that number. This is a pretty bad example because there's a 1 here. I don't particularly like examples with 1s because when you square them or multiply them, you get the same thing. So if that was like the 4, this number over here would be 16.